Hi guys! So, it's National Pizza Party Day and National Chocolate Chip Day. So I've decided to make little pizzas and show you how to make them, and then once they're made, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. And to me, that's the best party there is. Pizza and cookies. And I'm gonna pretend that I'm in school with you and have my own little party. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we're going to need to preheat our oven to 350. Okay, so you're going to go to your oven and you want to bake at 350 and we're going to press on. Okay, and then I'm going to show you our ingredients that we need. Okay, so for the pizzas, we need a roll of biscuits. Okay, they're going to be biscuit pizzas. They're actually my favorite. So a roll of biscuits, tomato sauce, marinara sauce, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to keep it simple today with just some mozzarella cheese. But you can also put pepperoni on it, you could put vegetables on it, all up to you. So first thing first, before you start cooking, you gotta wash your hands. Hands are washed. I am going to start with opening up my biscuits. There we go. Okay, so you're going to take one at a time. And you're going to flatten it, just like this, on your baking sheet, okay? Okay, just like that on your baking sheet. Then you're going to take your sauce, and you're going to go put some on. Put as much as you like on it. So I'm going to put that much on because it's going to spread when it's in there. And then I'm going to take my cheese. And sprinkle it on. Now remember, you could add other toppings to it. It's your decision. I'm just going to make them nice and easy with just cheese. And then you're going to repeat. You're going to repeat doing that until you have all your biscuits done. All assembled, you're going to put them into the oven. And you're going to set your timer for between 13 and 15 minutes or until they are golden brown and the cheese is melted. So I usually put them on for 13 minutes and check them, and if I need to put them on for longer, then I do. And then go do some schoolwork, go have some fun, and wait for your timer to go off. While my pizzas are cooking, I'm actually going to start prepping my cookies because my cookies go in the oven at the same temperature as my pizzas do. So I'm just going to throw them right in. I didn't make homemade cookies. I just got a roll of chocolate chip cookies. It's chocolate chip day, and I want some chocolate chips in my cookies, right? So you're going to just open it up and put it onto an ungreased baking sheet. So I'm going to start getting mine prepped, and I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so since it's just me in the house right now, I'm not going to make the whole roll. So I'm just going to take a couple pieces and make some cookies for myself. So you can make them as big as you want. You could use a spoon, you could use a knife. I just like using my hands. I like getting right into it. And I put them into balls. So I'm going to make mine about this big. And then I'm going to put them in the oven on the baking sheet. Just like that. So I'm going to keep doing it until I think I'm going to make about 5. And I'm just going to roll it. What a great day though. Pizza and chocolate chip cookies. Can't ask for anything better than that, right? Now make sure you're making this stuff, you share it with your family, okay? That's why I'm going to make a couple extra so that when my family comes home for the day, they get to eat some. Okay, so now they're all set. So when my pizzas come out of the oven, I'll be able to put them right in for about 10 to 12 to 15 minutes. Depends how much you want them cooked. I like mine a little softer, so I'll probably only cook them for 12 minutes. Our pizzas are done. They are nice and brown on the bottom. I can't wait to eat them. They smell so good. And then we also have our cookies now. I'm going to throw my cookies in the oven because it's set for the same amount, same temperature. And I'm going to set the cookies, I'm going to put them on for 13 minutes and check them in 13 minutes. While my cookies are baking, I'm going to have some delicious pizza and have a little party. So I hope you enjoyed your pizza too. And I can't wait to see what my cookies look like. So the cookies are out of the oven. They smell delicious. So I'm going to transfer them onto a cooling rack so they could cool off and then I can eat them. So you might need an adult's help with this, and that is okay. Remember, the baking sheet is very hot, so we don't want to be touching it, okay? So if you need to, put an oven mitt on. And once all the cookies are on the baking sheet, let them cool for a minute and then enjoy. I hope you enjoyed our cooking lesson for the day, and make sure you have a super awesome pizza party and National Chocolate Chip Day.